Now call on Republican Assembly candidate Gail Phoebus.
Good evening. Good evening to all. I want to thank John, the Ogdensburg Historical Society, the Ogdensburg Fire Company, and all of you tonight for being here. My name is Gail Phoebus. I'm running for Assembly with my running mate, Parker Space. I've been a Sussex County resident since I was 7 years old. I am a resident of Andover Township. I'm a graduate of Newton High School and a graduate of Centenary College in Warren County. I've been married for 41 years to my husband, Bob. We have 2 daughters, Lindsay and Ashley, and 2 granddaughters, Amelia and Abigail, and 1 beautiful newborn grandson, Hunter. I've been a co-owner of Farmstead Golf and Country Club with my husband starting in 1985, which employs more than 100 local residents during our peak season. The business has been in our family since 1961, and now my daughters are running it. Along with my husband and our daughters, we put in very long hours in our business just to keep things going in today's very fragile economy. Over the years, we hire many young people for their first jobs. Most of them have no skills, but we teach them the skills they need to know to perform the jobs that they are assigned. I first became involved in public service as a founding member of the Andover Township Economic Growth Committee. I was elected to Andover Township Committee in 2006 and served as a liaison to the Fire Department and Department of Public Works and as a member of the Recreation Committee. 2 years later, I was honored to be chosen as mayor. In 2012, I was elected to the Sussex County Board of Chosen Freeholders. After being top vote getter in the Republican primary that year, and then defeating 2 Democratic opponents in the general election, my oversight responsibilities include the Chamber of Commerce, the Economic Development Partnership, the Sussex County Community College Board of School Estimates, and the Department of Human Services. This year, after Assemblywoman Allison Littell McHose decided not to run for re-election, I was asked by her, Senator Steve Warho, and Parker Space to run for her seat. We had a spirited primary, and Parker and I won by a historical margin. Parker and I have been humbled by the outshowing of support from many diverse organizations throughout the district and the state. Parker and I both know what it's like to own and operate a family business. Through good times and recessions, we know what it's like to meet a payroll, to comply with ever-added government regulations, to pay higher and higher taxes, to pay vendors, yet through all of it, we're able to put food not only on our own tables, but also a paycheck for our employees. In recognition, the New Jersey Organization for a Better State, New Jobs, the political arm of the New Jersey Business and Industrial Association, and the National Federation of Independent Business, the NFIB, have endorsed Parker and myself and are encouraging business owners and those who depend on them for employment to vote for us. With law enforcement issues at the forefront of people's minds and recognition that our men and women in blue need support and the tools to successfully do their jobs, the New Jersey State Police Benevolent Association, the PBA, the New Jersey State Fraternal Order of Police, the FOP, and the Probation Association of New Jersey, who represent probation officers and supervisors in every county, all endorse Parker and myself. I am a gun owner. My husband is a hunter. I do not shy away from my belief in the Second Amendment and what the sportsman community means to the economics of a rural area such as Sussex County. Parker and I have been endorsed by the National Rifle Association, the Association of New Jersey Rifle and Pistol Clubs, and the New Jersey Outdoor Alliance. The #1 issue we face in New Jersey is high property taxes. I support Senator Mike Doherty's Fair School Funding Plan, which has been co-sponsored by Steve Warho in the Senate, while Parker Space and Allison Littell McHose have sponsored companion legislation in the Assembly. With this constitutional amendment, the state will equally fund our students here in Sussex County, Warren, and Morris counties. Right now, the state spends 60% of the money it collects in income taxes for the 31 urban school districts. Parker and I support a special session of legislation to discuss the relief and reform. And again, I thank all of you for being here. I ask for your vote on Election Day. Thank you very much.